So what could this be? It's a graphics card. Been waiting since Friday for it to be delivered, and basically since my box, the graphics card is the bottleneck at the moment. I can hardly play any games. I'm getting like 20 frames per second on Minecraft without any shaders. And so I ordered this. Not many people or shops have it in stock. It's an RTX. Nicely wrapped. You wouldn't get that wrapped in Amazon. Amazon probably send it like this. Anyway, so it's a graphics card VENTUS 2x GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Can't wait to try this. I'm going to open it up. Use your MSI stuff. No stickers. Surprised. Anyway, got another MSI 3060, but the 3x. Here we go. Here's the bad boy. It's got the exact same sockets as my Radeon. Same size. Nice cooling. Two nice fans. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on and see how it goes. So here's GPU Z. It shows all the features of the card. It's running at 1410 megahertz. Memory is at 1750. Let's see if I increase it by a certain amount. There you go. It's gone up by 75. Memory clock, say 36. Did the memory clock go up? Yep, did it. Let me go back to 0. $17.50, 25. $17.57. It's gone up by. Okay, let's change this to 100. 1510, memory 1757, memory clock 831. It shows there 6825. I'm not sure how this translates to this, but yeah, this is the graphics card and what it can do. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.